Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Instagram frame in CapCut PC to your photos or videos. So first you can select your videos or photos you like to edit. Just add to the track and you are just going to like change for aspect ratio and 1:1 for the Instagram feed, and go to effect and select right, and select um, sorry, you can select plug effect and select the insta, add to the track. So for the images you can merge it and change for the aspect ratio. Right, you can crop, select 1:1, confirm and merge it. Go. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.